We're live. Go.
Hi, I'm Josh from Force Home Services, and I wanted to go over a few things today that I've been running into a lot. A lot of things we've been running into is been poor airflow. A lot of systems are lacking return, and they have high static pressure. There's a few things you want to look at when you get to high static pressure. Number one reason for a cracked heat exchanger is going to be poor return or poor airflow. And when you've got a cracked heat exchanger, you're going to be leaking carbon monoxide right into your airstream. So I just wanted to go over a few simple things that maybe you guys could look at. One of the key things to knowing you're lacking a return is whistling in your return grill. If you have any loud noises coming from your return grill or it's howling, it's probably a sign that your blower motor is struggling to pull air through that return grill and it's just not big enough. So we either need to increase the size to that return or add an additional return. And by the way, by adding an additional return and you give the system more air, that's just more air you're going to get out of your supply side. So, also another thing is a lot of these return grills now come equipped where you can put a 1-inch or 4-inch filter in. The 1-inch filters you're going to want to change every month. If you don't change it every month and you proceed to let it get dirty, that's just going to be high static pressure. You're going to pay higher electric bills. You're just going to shorten the life of that system. If you decide to put a 4-inch filter in, which I do not recommend because it has more surface area can slow down that static pressure. You're going to want to change those every 3 months. And really it all depends on your indoor air quality. So if you're new at, you got a new system and you're new at putting a 4-inch filter or a 1-inch filter, you're going to want to monitor it for the first couple months to really see how often it needs to be changed. I'm in some people's homes where they don't have to change their filter every 6 months. I'm in some people's homes that have to change their filter every 2 weeks. It depends on how many pets you have, carpet, hardwood floor, all that kind of plays into a big role.